Alright, so I'm there with Elephant Man Sumfest 2019. You gave an energetic performance like it never normal. Anybody who did feel like say energy done and saying I still have the same stage performance ability there, you show them.
I look up to everybody perform. Everybody, give me this. Let me see the lights off. Everybody, sing down the place.
Crazy, and you don't know Reggae Sumfest. I think this Sumfest is one of the best ever. The people them come out and may I tell you, brother, when them say energy god and you don't know the image. You understand? Because thirst is nothing, image is everything.
You
so
always have the thought there.
you know the thing, right? So it's like
talk about the look here, like who come up with it?
Well, it's like, you know, we say boy we want to do something different for Reggae Sumfest and we say like every day everybody in a jacket and double breast and everybody
regular something.
Me not depend that. Me can't, and you know me now do no V-neck and no jeans pants. Me I say, yo what? The hand, the man them come out, you know, the trumpet, the
real performance.
And the scroll, and it's like me do want to bring something different to it. Then after that now, the madman run out with all of the energy. But me want the people them look and can say, this man here come for entertain us. This man here come run out and no. Me I go know everything, me I go know every cent in out the money and trust me.
So at no point in time anybody fearful come. I see you make a jump up on the speaker. On
the
speaker elephant and I say, look for this speaker shake and me I say,
when me up on the stage, the amount of people when me I see in a Reggae Sumfest and plus outside a one bag of traffic and more people still not reach
them pay the money.
Out there crazy. So no fear no that me just entertain them, the vibe sweet, the people them just want we entertain them no want we stop, run off them, call we back. It just crazy. Remind me of 2004 when we did just find Pond the River at that Sumfest there. We see out the thing.
So you mentioned your hits, so I want to find out from you. Did you feel any particular pressure? Because you know, Ding Dong not on show and he's a person who's been, you know, like been a dancing segment. I know you have to step on the show. Do you feel like you have something where you have like, yo, you have to prove, say, yo, the people that win it longer can still live up to the same hype as
and I prove, you know, cause I me set it and me say dancing and me. If you notice, when me say from the start Pond the River I go right back, the crowd just get crazy because I we set it and right now, even during in the week, Mr. Gabriel Union and Dwayne Wade, I danced upon the river before me reach a Sumfest. So it wasn't no pressure for me because I me set it, me had the founder for dancing. Big up Mr. Wacky Part and gone, big up the dancer.
But I say to somebody today, say, you added Marvin the bass before Marvin and the you added Tanto Black, so they have the talk, the image, everything
and
from before everybody.
And feet come manifest in the night where you see we unleash everything and it was just crazy because the fans them want it, the fans them as the energy god, bring it, give it to us, and we just give them it, it's on top of it, and we still not dry it out. Yeah, crazy,
Alright,
crazy.
So if you tell me like what's new for 2019 for Elephant Man, what
2019,
do you have, what kind of new projects here?
We just dropped Life at the Party. When Nelly stepping at the party, just do the video for that, and the twerk, just do the video for twerk, and you understand? As we do the song them, we have video them. 2019, crazy. Look out for the new thing them. Follow me on Instagram, Elephant Man Jamaica.
Alright, so Elephant Man, the question here, you know, my Vox Pop question. So the question is, listen to my answer, to talk about Jamaica and see or something. Name the last place other than your bed that you go on with that you get a piece. The last place other than your bed where you go on with that thing, your masha works.
The last place other than my bed?
Other than the bed. Other than with a piece,
other than my bed, go on with what kind of piece?
A little soccer,
at the beach. At the beach.
But beach elephant man.
Elsha, then not the bed. What?
Elsha.
Remember Elsha water, your girl a swim bang boom bang.
Jesus Christ, man, see water they gone. Oh God, okay.
No, Elsha, wash away the problem.
Alright.
Remember that the salt water cut anything.
Okay.
If the problem did there, it wash away. You understand?